Oh God, don't just when you want to man.
God have mercy upon us.
I mean, I wish I had a city to go grow. Let you know my hope you are I trust my sister, Nemo, my mom, Regina Dennis, when you go past 60.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to celebrate the traditional marriage of our daughter of Chief Odiawamiri one of Ebonyi State, and our in-law all the way from Ogbomoso. This is good interstate marriage, and I welcome you, Ogaroro Obuefi one Nuruara. I welcome the presence of Blue Gate Gardens. You are welcome, aka Blessed Ike Obuefi Pedro Mendesi Ofonye Logidi, all the way from
Alavanting is shouting.
Barikin Ladi. So we would like to see the bride that's getting married today.
Oriako, go and call our daughter.
DJ Delight, give us a song to welcome our daughter. Hey! Oh!
Congratulations.
Now this is never married. Now this one are from Bari. Oh! Oh, come on. Hey, Zioku. How can we change it? You get better eye. Yes. You better yourself. Another one.
You don't know why it's going on.
If they say they still spend money, I for spend 2 million naira here, but they spend money again. No problem.
No, that is too much. It's too much now.
Kesi has the DJ release the song.
Who told you last week? I'm the first done. No,
come down, give us to come down.
Let's go. This is our tradition. We must follow it.
You are asking me to bring 5 million naira. 5 million naira to a what? For what?
But you don't wait. Let me talk to my brother. Let me talk to my brother. Kezi, why you want to collect 5 million from our in-law? You know too much.
You know what it took me to train that girl? The laptop I bought for her project was 500,000.
She never hear of Kukobo computers. If she dey go Kukobo computer, she for everything cheap there. She can even buy 10 laptops for 500,000.
You don't mean
10 laptops.
Oriaku, go and call my daughter.
I know it's already too late to advise you people.
How go they collect money if they buy one laptop 500,000? Say they go school. That's what they do. If you know, see if you go Kukobo computer, you go buy 10 laptops for 500,000. You don't know where you buy your own.
Under bridge, I buy and those boys say they for under bridge.
I completed what you call Muguli.
Make you tamper justice with Messi.
I hear you. Ogabuchioni. Go and show me your husband.
$500,000 for 10 pieces of laptop. If you want to start new business, anything where you want to do.